Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Audition. First, let's get acquainted with the interface. You'll primarily work in two views: the waveform editor for single audio files and the multitrack editor for combining multiple tracks. Before you start, ensure your audio hardware, like your microphone and headphones, is correctly set up in the Preferences menu. Then, you can easily create a new audio file or a multitrack session to kick off your project. Now, let's record some audio. In the multitrack editor, select your desired input device for a track. Click the R button to arm the track for recording. It's crucial to monitor your input levels, aiming for around -6 decibels on the meters to prevent distortion. Once ready, simply press the main record button at the bottom of the interface to begin capturing your sound. With your audio recorded, it's time for some basic editing. Use the razor tool to cut and remove any unwanted sections from your clips. Adobe Audition offers powerful tools like the adaptive noise reduction effect to clean up background noise, often reducing it by 10 to 20 decibels. You can also easily adjust the volume of individual clips and create smooth fade-ins or fade-outs for professional transitions. Finally, let's mix and export your masterpiece. Use the mixer panel to carefully balance the volume of all your tracks, ensuring no single element overpowers another. Enhance your sound further by adding effects such as equalization to shape frequencies or compression to control dynamics. Once satisfied, go to File, then Export, and choose a suitable format like WAV for high quality or MP3 for smaller file sizes, typically at 320 kilobits per second.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.